Hello everyone, it's me Maxi and welcome again to my channel. For today's video po guys, let me greet you first a Merry Christmas because we are in Christmas season. So let me greet you all a Merry Christmas everyone. And for today's video po, it's all about the continuation of this Christmas decoration in my home. So please stay tuned, please watch the whole video and thank you so much for coming everyone. So, ayan, i-check po muna natin itong ating Christmas light, kung still working pa siya, bago po natin i-assemble kung saan siya natin ilalagay. Itong Christmas light na to ay matagal na rin po to, ilang years na rin itong nire-reuse ko lang din po siya. Ayan, i-testing po muna natin kung still working bago po natin ikabit. Ayan! Wow! Still working! Machi-change ang mode ng kanyang light. Ayan. Ayan, okay pa. Still working pa ang ating Christmas light. Maganda po talaga pag bumili ng Christmas light na branded. I mean, yung magandang klase. Yung may quality. Kasi matagal mo siyang magagamit. Ito siguro mga 5 years ko na to. 5 times na to na Christmas season kung kinakabit. Still working pa din. Oo, mga siguro 5 or 6 years ko nang ginagamit tong Christmas light na to. Hindi ako nagkakamali, no? Still okay pa rin, in good condition pa rin siya. Ayan, ikakabit ko na po ito sa aking paglalagyan.
I'm security. I'm researcher. I'm going to dance. Who is the who everyone come to me on the same day? You like look at the chat. Someone can sing times. And I'm going to do a cute video. You're gonna hide that gold. The banana, pizza, knife, this. Oh, not all of that. Not all of that. Wait, I'm gonna give you something good though. What thing that you don't have? I don't have check your inventory. Check the shop and also I don't have art.
Honey, just finish the killing.
Huh.
Get the gum.
I don't have enough guns. I only have 2 guns. Okay, I'm gonna give you guns. No, I died because of the forest fire. Cause someone give me a pizza gun. So I need a new knife. There you go. A new knife. A new knife. Okay. Any knife? We have 2 knives. There. And maybe hat. I don't there. I don't. That. Okay. Then maybe. Give me the things that you don't want. I don't want cat ears. already have that. I don't want it. What the freak? Another one.
Ay, tumumu.
I just line this.
Ay, tumumu.
Ayun, naikabit na yung ating Christmas light. Naikabit na yung Christmas light. Paikot siya.
Let's play. I play. Me nine. Me first. Me nine. Me second. Me six. Me third. No. Me fourth.
Mga boys!
Oh!
Too much playing ah.
No. Who's that?
Hala.
Oh,
Sleep
viewers?
na. Yeah, say hi to my viewers.
Hi. Hello. My mom is famous like Mr.
Okay ka na have that, Nak? Okay.
I love you, mommy.
Our decoration here. Ilagay natin dito yung ating... Wait. Yan. Yan siya. Can I have the other one, Max? The white one?
Into Kabilim.
Yan. Let's put that here.
Nighttime.
Okay. Can you please off the light? Let's check it. Ayun. May pang Christmas na tayo dito. Christmas decor na tayo dyan. Yan. So, ayan. Na-arrange na pala ni Max ang ating Christmas village. Ayan. Lagay na natin. Yan. Very nice, Max. Good job.
Why does one have like a clown nose? Yes, a clown nose.
Yeah. Ilawan na natin. Try natin nakailaw ang ating Christmas village. About this one. Okay, can you please off the light? Thank you. Okay. And then, ang ating lamp.
How about the other one?
Okay na yun, Nak. Hindi naman makasama sa video. So, ayan ang ating Christmas village.
Is it Halloween pa?
No, Halloween is over. We are in the Christmas season na tayo. Ang ganda ng Christmas village natin, umiilaw na. Ayan, Merry Christmas everyone! Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas! May we always feel the spirit of Christmas. Despite so many calamities that happened in our country, let's always be positive and trust and pray to our Lord Jesus Christ. Ayan, Merry Christmas once again!